Position yourself comfortably, cradling the receiver's head in your hands, with your index fingers located at the base of the skull. Take a deep breath and relax your shoulders and hands. We shall now practice a few neck techniques. Gently turn the head to one side with your hand supporting it, and with the other, rub the neck downwards, stretching its muscles with your index finger and thumb. Massage along the length of it from the base of the skull to the shoulder. Avoid massaging over the prominent vein. The next technique is a variation of the previous one. Again, massage the length of the muscles of the neck, this time using the tips of the 3 middle fingers. Massaging the neck can also improve the function of the organs of the head, allowing better circulation to the area, besides contributing to better relaxation and sleep. Place the tips of your fingers on the forehead and begin to massage from the center in an outward direction all the way to the temples. Begin by rubbing the upper part of the forehead, then proceed to the middle part and then to the lower part. Repeat again on the lower part and then work your way up to the upper part, maintaining this rhythm. The following technique is a simple variation of the previous one. This time, use the thumbs to perform the same stroke as before. These massage techniques will help to prevent wrinkles and can contribute to rejuvenate the skin and muscles of the face, thus maintaining a youthful appearance. Now, with your middle 3 fingers, massage the temple area. Use a gentle and circular rubbing action. This is a very pleasant stroke which can relieve stress, particularly if caused by excessive concentration and thinking. Next we shall be pinching the whole length of the eyebrows. Use your index finger and thumb to softly squeeze this area. Maintain a slow and regular motion, remembering to breathe deeply and calmly, keeping your shoulders and particularly your hands relaxed. In this way, you will communicate a soothing and caring touch. Place your middle fingers at the ridge of the nose where it meets the eyebrows and begin to massage around the eyes in a circular and light motion. Do not massage over or close to the eyeballs. Rub only over the bony area. Position your hands just below the chin. Rub and gently pull under the chin in an alternate rhythm towards the ears. This technique helps to reduce a double chin. Place both hands with open palms over the sides of the face and starting from the chin, rub with an upward movement, gently lifting the muscles of the face. This concludes the body massage instruction. We hope that you have enjoyed it and that it will give you many hours of joyful and happy practice.